CADEBOT supports the playback of advertisements, supporting common image and video formats. New robots come with the advertisement screen enabled by default. Please ensure that the advertisement screen is turned on. Users can choose the advertisement resources into the folder named as CADEBOT, and the format of view disk should be FAT32, of which is saved in the root directory of the flash drive. The folder name should be all in lowercase letters, otherwise, it cannot be recognized by the robot. Insert the flash drive into the robot's interface. Click Settings, Adver, Resource Library, then click on New Disk Import. You can add or delete resources. Click on the Type column. You may filter by resource type, which makes it easier to find the target resource. The resources supports to be imported through the cloud platform as well. To import audio files, enter Settings, Advertisement, click on the Resource Library. Click the icon of View Disk Import, select the audio file from the flash drive that needs to be imported, and click Confirm. Click on New Plan to add, then you can edit the plan name. Freely choose the playback time. You can choose to set all day or time period. The screen layout supports 3 display methods: single screen, 2:1, 1:1:1. Click on plus symbol to import resources, then enter the resource library and select the required resources. The advertisement screen supports to split to 6 parts. You can choose the advertisement time you want to play and set the corresponding advertisement resources. And click Confirm. You can add or delete the resources, as well as delete advertisements for different time segments. Click Preview. The advertisement will present on the advertisement screen. Click Confirm if everything is confirmed correct, and after clicking Use, the advertisement will be played in a loop during the selected time segment. You can add or delete advertisement schemes. The time segment. Click the number below the resource to adjust the playback duration of the image resource. Click on the resource to preview it. Long press on the upper right corner of the resource to drag and reorder the resources. After resources imported, it can be removed with clicking the trash symbol on bottom right corner.